Yaar, what should I wear today? Should I just wear black on basics? It's a savior for all time. But I do it always. Hmm. How about styling blue on blue today? Yes. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So girls, are you even stuck thinking what should I wear, or are you tired styling always those black and white clothes? If that's you, I have come for your save. So I have some blue on blue outfit ideas for you today. So without taking any moment, let's get right into the video. So for this first look, I am going to wear my blue little dress with little yellow hearts detail on it. To go a little extra, I'll just wear this shrug. Wait, let's just try styling this shrug backways. So I'll just fold this shrug and tie a knot at backside maybe. For footwear, I am going to add these white bellies, and for hairdo, I'll just wear a high ponytail to make it look decent. I have applied no makeup, but a little lipstick won't make any harm, right? And ta-da! This is the final look. I think this look is my most favorite among today's blue on blue outfits. So this is just me flaunting this look for a while now. So for this second look, I will just wear this comfy floral shorts with a blue tea bag, and to keep the layering game on, I just add this shrug. So here's a closer view, and for footwear, I'll just add this white block heels, and for hairdo, I'll just let my hair rest inside partition. I think adding a hat to this whole look will just give me a whole beach vibe. For this third look, I am going to pair my denim shorts with a blue sleeveless bodyfit top, which just looks so effortless yet chic. I'll just let my hair flow in the air cause it just looks fine like that. And here's a closer view. For footwear, I'm just going to wear these black shoes to make it real comfy. And this is the whole look. For this fourth look, I'm just going to try to style this skirt. Maybe wear it as a dress. So to fit the waist, I have added this belt, and yeah, it looks good I guess. Sometimes those influencers' ideas do work. If you got the right size of this skirt, you can wear it as a dress too. For footwear, I'll just add these white block heels again cause they suit well. Also, to accessorize the whole look, I'll just add this watch to it. So yeah, this is the whole look. You guys can totally understand I'm feeling very pretty in this dress. For the last look, I'm just going to pair my favorite wide leg jeans with this blue sweatshirt. It looks a bit incomplete, right? So let's just try underlayering it with a white shirt. Wait, let's just tuck it in. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you must have seen this look already before, cause I had worn this same outfit some days back, and in fact this outfit was the inspiration to style blue on blue outfits and make this video. So I hope this was helpful, and this experimenting was total fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I think this outfit is just somewhat like old school nerds, but I like it really well. So these were the 5 looks I created. If you create any blue on blue outfit, I would really like to see them. So tag me in your post or pictures, anything. And hope these ideas were helpful for you. If you like this video, give it up a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.